Dear Mayor Bill de Blasio.
Hi, Mayor Bill de Blasio.
Hi, Mayor de Blasio. I really hope my idea helps you with the planning on what you want to do with Christopher Columbus' statue.
In New York City, there's a statue of Christopher Columbus.
The statue lies on 59th Street and 8th Avenue.
Many people think it represents hate since Columbus killed many Native Americans, but other people, mainly Italian Americans, think that Columbus symbolizes that they do belong in America and Columbus was an important person in history.
My suggestion for the mayor would be to make everyone happy by compromising.
My suggestion is to tear down the original statue and replace it with Columbus and the Indigenous Peoples.
I have heard both sides of the argument and have made my own argument and proposal of what I recommend we do about the problem. I recommend that we take down the statue and put many other statues up.
I think we should take the statue down and replace it with somebody that can make everybody happy.
Maybe there's a way to value both groups. Why would you choose Columbus, though? I'm serious. If I was Italian, I would choose my hero to be somebody else. Maybe Da Vinci, with his exploration through art, inventions, and architecture. Or if you want an Italian American, then...
I recommend that you make Columbus Circle a statue garden with statues of people that faced oppression. These could be statues of Native Americans, Italians, African Americans, Europeans, and any other groups of people that faced oppression.
I dived deeper into this problem and found that is happening to many other statues and historical figures as well. But wiping away people who have committed any kind of racial injustice like this raises another problem: who to get rid of and who not to get rid of. We should treat these statues also as a reminder of the cruelties of the past and the consequences of these racial injustices.
In my personal opinion, I believe that the statue should be taken down because of the actions Christopher Columbus took part in. What I'm trying to say here is, you don't need to follow Christopher Columbus if you're Italian. You can follow a non-murderer, somebody less gruesome, somebody who wasn't so evil even the people who thought Native American lives were meaningless imprisoned him. Somebody like Frank Stella, one of the greatest artists of minimalism of all time. And of course, your idol could also be Bill de Blasio.
So, who is this great Italian man that we should celebrate? This man is Marco Polo. Marco Polo is Italian and he did good things.
Here's a timeless drawing of an airlock symbol I made. I think this symbol should replace Columbus's statue because it represents a tabby, an airlock goddess that many looked up to.
On this side, there is a statue of a Native American to honor the lives that were lost. And on this side, over here, it shows a museum with Christopher Columbus in it.
And I hope you'll use it to help decide your decision for the Columbus statue controversy. Thank you.
And I hope this made an impact on your decision.
And please consider my recommendation. Thank you.